I'm Wacky, and today I'm going to show you the Thunder Experiment, my performance testing science with Teacher Nene and Tiongco. Let's get started. First, I'm going to show you the materials needed. Transparent container, medicine dropper, red food coloring, blue ice cubes, apron. Let's do the procedure. Fill the container with warm water. Put the ice cubes on one side of the container. Drop red food coloring on the other side of the container. Then observe what's gonna happen. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.